Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video we're gonna have an unboxing, which I haven't done in I feel like a very long time, so I'm super excited. If my voice sounds a little weird, side note, just ignore that, but we're gonna get into it. So this is very unexpected, but I was shopping on Walmart.com and I was just doing my thing and I was like, you know what? I wonder if they have houseplants on here. So I typed in houseplants and I was actually so shocked by the plants that I saw. I unfortunately did not record it, but I have some screenshots of some cool plants that I found. Some of them were very expensive and some of them were like really well priced for the kind of plant that they are. So I decided to buy two of them and see how they are. These are the, oh my gosh, felt like a bird there. These are the two boxes that I got in the mail. And it only took 5 days from when I ordered for them to get to me. So I feel like that's very exciting. Honestly, when I was ordering it, I was getting a little bit nervous because they're still a lot, but not as much as they usually cost. Because as you can see, or I don't know if you can, these are both from Costa Farms. And on Walmart, if you buy something over $35, then the shipping is free. So if I only bought one of these plants, then the shipping would have been free. And shipping honestly gets me so much. Every time I go on like a plant website and I'm like shopping and everything, I have my full cart and then shipping is so much that I'm just like, forget it, like what the heck? Oh my god. You guys, look at this that I see. Do you see how big and luscious these leaves are? Wow. I'm gonna have to try and take this out. I also forgot that both of the plants come with like literal pottery. Well, not pottery, but just glass ceramic pots, and apparently this one has a stand. If they offered a lower price without all of this extra stuff, I would have taken it. But I have the invoice here, so I could tell you how much it cost. I think it was a really good price for the plant that it is. Okay, so give me a moment to open this up. Are you kidding me? Does this not look amazing? This was $50, you guys. $50 for all of this. And I know that if you find it in store, it's a lot cheaper than that. So I live in California, and California, first of all, I'm super like shocked they actually shipped to me, because last year when I tried to ship a Raven ZZ or a polka dot begonia to my house from Home Depot, they did not allow the shipping to California. So being able to just get this is so amazing, because I'm telling you, there are a lot online. You probably know. There are a lot, but I was looking at the prices and I was like, no, I cannot. But then on Walmart, I was like, yes, I can. So that's pretty amazing to me. It was only $50. It's such a full, luscious plant. And hopefully it's healthy. The pot is healthy. Like the roots are healthy. I don't know right now. I'm a little nervous to check, but this paper does feel kind of moist, which makes me nervous. But we're gonna check on the other plant first, in case, you know, it's not doing well. This one's very tall too. But like I was saying, I'm not sure if they allow these plants to be sold in California. I have never seen, I've honestly though never checked at a Walmart, which was probably my mistake. I'm not really that big of a fan of Home Depot houseplants. Like I'd rather go to Lowe's. So I've never seen any like rare or expensive plants in those stores. Okay, I got a little distracted and I kind of forgot what I was saying, but I think I was talking about how plants don't ship to California. So I wasn't planning on ever seeing these in Walmart. So I should like check though, because I don't really go to Walmart anymore. As you can see, I'm shopping online there. But here is the second plant that I got, and I only got 2 plants because even though they were really priced, even though they had really good prices, it was still $100 for both of these plants, and I didn't have to pay shipping. I hate paying shipping so much. Like, I wish I could find plants like these in a nursery, you know, but that just has to happen. Okay, and here's the other plant, which is quite a bit more beat up, but there is 2 plants in here for the price of one. This one was $35. This is, I think this is a Rhaphidophora Hayi, but I'm not 100% certain since, you know, they don't put the real plant names. This one says it's a shingle vine. Oh, it says it's a Rhaphidophora assorted species. So it is a Hayi, but it doesn't say that, like, it doesn't say it's a Hayi. But I don't know if people would actually be on, oh, this one has really wet soil too. I don't know if people are on, you know, Walmart.com looking at plants. They see a $35 plant that looks like this and they're like, yep, I'm gonna get that shingle plant. Do you think people do that? Oh, and also, if you have found like either one of these plants, a Monstera Peru or a Rhaphidophora Hayi, in your like Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's, please let me know how much it costs, because I want to know the price difference, because I know like plants online are a lot more expensive, maybe double the price of what they are if you just go to buy them in a store. So I'm really curious to know like how much they actually are. But regardless where I live, this is still a really good price. This is pretty wet. So I'm gonna try and take a look at that, but that is so cute. I don't think this is needed. Sorry, it's not needed. But look, both sides. Little plants on both sides. Like, it got 2 for 1. And I see like way smaller versions of this plant costing the same amount as I got it, and I got a little ceramic container, so I'm really happy with it. You can probably tell. But let's look at this guy. So in this plant there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 plants in here. So that's really amazing. I don't know how much they cost actually for Perus. I think Perus were really popular in 2019. I kind of don't really go on like Instagram or anything, so I'm not sure how popular they are now. I was waiting I was waiting for the price to go down. Also, I didn't really care for them in 2019, but I really love the texture of their leaves, so I'm so happy to finally get one. And then for the Hayi, I originally wanted a Monstera dubia, and then I saw the prices for them, and then I saw this plant. The prices are cheaper, and honestly they look really similar to me. I just wanted like a shingle plant, like a plant that would grow up on this like little board, like a little creeper. So I was like, you know, I'll get a cheaper Rhaphidophora and that'll be fine. So that is how I got these plants, or I came to get these plants. And there were a lot more other cool plants on Walmart. I forgot I'm supposed to not take these off. Whoop. Yeah, so I saw like a bunch of other cool plants, but I didn't want to spend more than that, and these are the plants that I actually really wanted, so I'm very excited. But I am going to repot these, not right now, because I don't like repotting plants when I first get them unless it's absolutely necessary, because I want the plant to like calm down. I don't want to keep stressing it. And I was also really worried about buying these plants on Walmart because first of all, it told me it would take 7 days to ship. It only took 4, I think, so that was really like, it was a surprise to actually get them today. But I was also thinking about how Walmart treats their plants. These came directly from Florida, so I think they came directly from the nursery. I don't know if that's obvious, but it came directly from the nursery. So I think like it looks like they know how to wrap their plants. I got like literally 5 of these pamphlets for some reason. They have the boxes that say, you know, this is a plant, please keep it safe. And they were wrapped really well. Like even the pots didn't break. I read the reviews too, and some reviews said their pots broke, so like I was just getting more stressed thinking about it. You know how it is when I just have too much time to think about it and I get too stressed. And I was worried that the plants were gonna get here dead, and you can't return these, I don't think. But I don't know, because sometimes plants are just not rooted well, like at all. When you buy them from big box stores, they have like plugs that they put in, and then some of them will die, so it looks like half your plant is dead. And I'm really worried about that being the case for both of these, but I also don't want to stress them out by looking at the roots too soon. So I think I'm gonna leave them for now. That's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you think this is a good deal, let me know. Especially, and if you're in California and you've seen these plants at Walmart, also let me know, because I've been missing out from not going to Walmart. And if you live elsewhere where these plants getting shipped is not an issue, I don't know what other state in California has that problem, but I feel like there's one more. So let me know the good finds that you found at your Walmart, how much these are for you. I'm really interested to know how much they hiked up the price. But honestly, they probably included shipping into the price, which I kind of like when people do that, because then I feel like I'm not paying for shipping even though I am. Anyways, like I said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!